A secret part of my ambition is that it gets progressively harder for my audience to cheer as it keeps happening. You know, you're like, yeah, I guess, yeah. I suppose if you must read another thing.
Oh God.
So I'm doing a workshop tomorrow. Tatiana is gonna talk about it probably. It's about, the idea of the workshop came from talking about this series of poems, this other series. I'm only gonna read one. They're all named after the places they happen. So this one is called Uptown 5 Train. Walking down the subway steps, I see him, hard-edged, unfriendly, noticing me. A crest sewn with plastic rhinestones on the back of his plastic jacket. Cheap opulence betraying itself. He's black. Black Yankees cap with the rim blade straight over a brown do-rag's nylon sheen. I pretend not to watch him. White queer on my New York shit. I wonder if he's going to hit me. Wonder who loved him best of all. Where she is now. Why can't she save him? It's 7:45 on a weekday morning. The human throng surrounding and obscuring us, the daggers he stares at the side of my white faggot face, its nose ring, its lipstick, clearing the path through a plethora of slithering lives that web through the train's incubating belly. For 30 blocks, the human swarm is packed so close I think I've lost him. Then in Midtown it thins out. I sit in the corner of the car, and he's standing above me. I'm avoiding his face for fear's sake. He can't be more than 17. I spread a book in my lap, still feigning ignorance of what's between us. Down the bench, a row of people variously preoccupied with small devices. Level with my eyes, his pants are sagged below his demons. At first, I think that I'm imagining the way he pivots his hips to an angle where I'm their only audience. Then he reaches down for the flesh ellipse, clearly outlined under heather gray cotton, and strokes it turgid into my face. We pass like this, from Midtown into Harlem, and I don't look up to see what he wants to see on my face. I don't know if he wants me to be so afraid. I'm so afraid. I don't know what of exactly. How many times can my body prove it's not my own? My brain, who hates me, tries to argue, isn't this what you've been wanting? Haven't you been longing these cold months for desire from someone? And who are you, after all you've done, to start discriminating now? At 125th Street, he has to transfer trains. I'm getting off. The doors unseal, and suddenly I'm desperate for his eyes. I look over my shoulder several times. He isn't going to follow me. Did I do something wrong? The lurex thread embroidered back of his jacket, the crown, or is it an eagle, waving goodbye. He never glances back. I'm not trying to be fucked up by talking about race. That's not, like, my hope. I just want to put that out there. You know, because I know the intentions are not like magic, and so, so like if you feel like you need to talk to me about how I'm handling race in my poems, which are also about, you know, other things which I feel more comfortable talking about, please talk to me, because I'm not trying to be an asshole.
That was well done. Nice, that was well done.